The X-Power Aero Pro Duster is your chemical-free solution for high-powered compressed air that can dust, dry, and pump air for a variety of applications. Featuring a 3/4 horsepower motor and running at 40,000 RPM, the electrically powered Aero Pro provides an endless supply of powerful airflow. This safe alternative for your home or office eliminates the need for costly and hazardous disposable canned air. Blast keyboards, laptops, desktops, and other electronic equipment safely and effectively with a powerful stream of pure filtered air. 9 interchangeable nozzles give the Aero Pro the flexibility to dust, dry, and inflate for endless applications. A 2-speed switch provides added versatility. Outperforming both canned air and standard air pumps, the Aero Pro can inflate a queen-size mattress in under 30 seconds. Stop wasting cash on canned air and up.